Hey everyone, and welcome back to our FAQ series. Today I want to discuss with you the question, what's the difference between a validated HCI node and integrated HCI node? So what you may already encountered, for example, when you're browsing the Azure Stack HCI catalog, you saw that you can choose between integrated and validated nodes. So what's that? So why is Microsoft making their difference? So it's pretty easy to explain. With validated nodes, so the ones down there, you're getting a validated hardware solution from Microsoft and a specific vendor. So it's valid hardware, it's tested, it has the correct drivers. Um, that hardware will get a multi-year hardware support from the vendor and also be supported for at least 3 to 5 years from the from the operating system itself, and it's integrated and manageable via Windows Admin Center. With integrated nodes, you're getting all these benefits from a validated node, but an integrated solution comes with the operating system installed normally, or you're getting someone from the hardware partner to install the operating system, configure it with you as a service. Then it's might it's an integrated supported solution, and that's the major benefit of an integrated system. You have Microsoft supporting the operating system and the services on top of the hardware, and then you have the hardware vendor supporting the hardware itself. Normally with a validated node, if Microsoft says, okay, that's not storage spaces direct, it's you have a fault drive, then you need to call your vendor to replace the drive. If you're having an integrated system, Microsoft is opening the support case for you with, let's say, Dell, Data On, or with Lenovo, or when you're having a Green Lake system with HPE. And they are telling them, hey, guys, there's an issue with the customer drive. Please speak to the customers and replace the drive. And the other way around, if Dell is encountering an issue with the HCI node, which is related to software, which is related to operating system, then Dell is contacting Microsoft and telling them, hey guys, there's something with your operating system. Let's talk to the customer and let's try to fix it together. Or what I had in the past, that the Open Managed integration or the Open Managed plugin in Admin Center wasn't working correctly. So Microsoft and Dell were working together to find the root cause for the not working plugin for Open Manage. And that brings us to the next benefit of an integrated system. All tools you're getting with an integrated system, if it's Dell Open Managed solution, if it's the IPMI integration for your servers, driver firmwares, it's all built for Azure Stack HCI and for Windows Admin Center and for Azure. So it's fully integrated. In the future, you will also get a new deployment experience with these integrated systems, which is currently in preview. I will link it below. But as I said, it's a fully integrated joint solution, and it's treated from both parties as it's our solution. It's not hardware and software, it's a whole solution stack. Um, why should you why should you choose for a validated versus integrated solution? My personal experience, the major thought point here is, do I need these additional services and maybe also having these additional price point, or do I don't? Let's say for a test system where I just want to run a few test workloads, where I just want to run a bit of software, but I don't need to be strictly tied in support or drivers, etc. I can perfectly go for a validated node. But if I have a production system where every little piece needs to work together, and if I have a downtime, everyone needs to pull on one string, I personally would prefer an integrated solution because all parties are in the boat. I know that they're developing together and they're really close in solving any issues and any upcoming inconvenience for the customer. So it's best for me. It's the best solution here. With an integrated node, there comes one downside. Validated is normally faster to support newer versions of Azure Stack HCI because there's not that much intense testing included in that solution. It's just testing the operating system drivers and you're done. With an integrated system, until the integrated provider supports the operating system, it may take 1 or 2 months longer than with a validated node because they need to test all their plugins, they need to test all their driver packages, they need to test all their firmware packages, also with the GA version, not only with the preview versions, they're also testing that for GA so that they are sure to support or the whole solution stack. So let's quickly check all integrated providers, and as you see, there are a bunch of them, smallers, biggers. Um, let's say for the Africa region, and as you can see, there's a bunch of systems you can choose from. So that's for today. Hopefully it helped. I also will link you a larger hardware video that I made with Bert Wolters down below, and also a link from one of my previous blog posts on how I can run Azure Stack HCI full OPEX, even with integrated or validated partners, so that you're getting a few more impressions on what's possible. If you have more questions, if you want to see more of this series, subscribe, leave me a comment, add me on LinkedIn, whatever you want to do, and happy to help you. Have a great day. Have a great week. Bye.